'Tis the season for Christmas candy. We invite you in our kitchen for this Mommy Room Redo holiday special as Kyla and I make peppermint bark, a treat featuring two Christmas favorites, peppermint and chocolate. Well, it didn't come out exactly the way we wanted, but we made it work. To watch us mix it up as we handled our little mix-up, stay tuned. MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. On this episode, we're going to be making peppermint bark. You ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, so first thing we do is we melt some dark chocolate, and you can do it in a pan, but I'm just going to use the good old microwave. I'm going to just cut this open and you just put the chocolate on for 30 seconds. So you spread the chocolate onto the parchment paper. That's not enough chocolate.
Okay guys, so we have successfully spread out the chocolate throughout our cookie sheet. Now we're going to melt white chocolate candies into this paste, and then we're going to spread it over that. So guys, we have melted the white chocolate, and now we are spreading it on to the dark chocolate. Good.
Something like that. This is hot.
This is awkward.
All right. What do we do next?
Spread it onto the top. Oh, I'm seeing a little gray in there. Wait, what's white versus brown? Oh, light brown. Duh. The spreader ain't doing too good.
No, I think we're supposed to let it probably dry more.
I see a blessing. Oh guys, we made a mistake. We didn't let the dark chocolate
Set.
set before we put on the white chocolate, so the colors kind of mix into this marbly color. But it looks really cool and I really like it, so we're gonna just roll with it. So now we have to crush these peppermints, and I'm gonna show you how you do it. It's really an aggression.
You crush the peppermints down on the countertop.
Okay guys, now you pour the packs, or if you have big ones, just pour it over the white chocolate.
Not with your mouth.
germ infested.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna put it in the fridge to freeze.
To set.
To set.
For 20 minutes.
For 20 minutes. Peace out. So, we finished our peppermint bark and it looks like this. Pretty snazzy. And we're going to taste it now.
How is it?
Really good. Cameraman, do you want to taste it?
So with peppermint bark, you literally just break it up. And I'm going to take these and send it to my family.
Wrap it up.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share this video, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you comment what your favorite dessert of Christmas or for the holidays is, and if we see yours and we like yours, we will give you a shout out on our next video. Peace out!